Hi all, this is a video to show you how to automate the refresh of Power BI desktop. I have two Power BI desktop files open. One is sales by customer and one is sales by customers too. So I'm going to show you how to automate to refresh these two window and also save it. My name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. The first step is actually prepare an Excel file and list down the windows that you want to refresh. The Windows name will be the top part of the Power BI desktop file. So for this is sales by customer dash Power BI desktop. And then the second window is sales by customer 2 dash Power BI desktop. Next, you open up Power Automate. So this is a sample file. So first, you launch Excel. Open the following document. So open up this list of Windows instance, Power BI window. Then disable make instance visible. Then enable open as spread only. The rest you can leave it as default. Then you read from Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. All available values from worksheet. Get cell contents as text enabled. First line of range contains column names enabled. Variables produces Excel data. And then you use for each loop. So for each value to iterate, Excel data store into current item. Right. Okay, next step is very important. So it's clicking the UI element. So in order to do this, you click UI element in Windows. I'm just going to do a sample here. So you click on a UI element, then you add UI element. All right. So what you want to select is refresh. Right. Highlight refresh with your left mouse, then click on hold Control and left click. Right. The next you want the save button. Right. So you Control and left click. All right. So you have refresh and save now. Then you click on done. So I'm not going to click on done because I have already saved. So for the first click UI element in window, right, choose save. Right. Then leave everything as default. Right. Then you do wait for window. Right. This is to make sure that the windows are fully refreshed before you save. So over here, right, when you refresh, you have this window called refresh. Right. So what you do is you insert wait for window, find window by file title, window title is refresh, wait for window to close, right? Then for this, you select save, right? Power BI desktop save, right? Everything leave as default, and then you want to minimize. If you want to minimize the window, you can use this state, or you want to maximize, right? You can also use this set window state. So set window state, find window mode by window UI element. Window is just the Power BI desktop, right? Click on save, right? Okay, then because you have selected Windows sales by customer, so you need to ask Power Automate to rename the window when it's finished refreshing the sales by the first window, then change it to sales by customer 2. So to do this, you actually go to UI elements, right? Let me delete those that are not used first. Okay, so this is the window, right? You click on the three dots, you edit, then you click on the three dots again, and you edit, right? Over here in the name, right? Make sure you delete the name of the window, right? Because I have changed it to current time, so you will have a window name here. So delete, then you select current item, right? Then you you click update, close. Next, you go to save, click on the triple dot, right? And then just double check, make sure that you don't have the Windows name here. This is clean. But on refresh button, right, you will see your Windows name somewhere. Where is it? Here in this. Sorry, here save, right? Edit. Over here, there's toolbar. Click on toolbar, and make sure you change the name to select current item, right? So that it will pick up the new Windows name. Click on update, close, right? Then I'm going to demonstrate this sample. So I'm going to click on run. So you open the Excel file and read the first window name. Okay, then you will click on refresh. then click on save. All right, then it goes to the next window. Refresh, save, and then that's it, all done. I hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to tip me a cup of coffee by clicking the PayPal link below in the description. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.